Perfect Set 12 Sheets Nail Stickers includes all sorts of classic Christmas-style images: Santa Claus, Christmas hat, snowman, Christmas bell, Christmas tree, stick elk and any other Christmas accessories. With one PC's nail file makes your nail art design more easy. DIY nail art, great to create your unique awesome Christmas nail designs. It is fun to DIY nail art with your family or friends when family gathering and party. Enjoy your own shining and special look nails and the good time. Easy to use. Our nail stickers are self-adhesive, and our stickers are free from soaking, so just stick them on your nails, easy and time-saving. Similarly, just peel off them if you want to remove them. You can decorate your own style nails. There are many patterns for you to choose. Enduring and lustrous Kalolary nail art stickers can last for a long time and keep their luster at the same time if you paste them in correct way. They are also the ideal decors for mobile phone covers, greeting cards, body art, etc. Perfect gift. The best gift for your kids, friends, your mom, your wife and even your whole family. Nail stickers are great for your fingernails and toenails decorations. Perfect for home use and nail salon. Your kids will love it and can share with their friends. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, great price. The designs are extremely cute with plenty of extras. With 2 young kids, I don't have much free time, but in under 15 minutes, I went from boring to fun nails. I also added a base coat and top coat to help preserve them from abuse of endless chores. They are holding up so far. I will be purchasing other designs from this company in the future.